I loosened off the rear axle and just make the chain as loose as possible. Now you just got these bolts here. Real quick. Extension to get past the foot. Done. Pop this plastic out. Just see if I can get this off without having to take too much apart. You gotta turn it. That comes off. The O-ring came off. Slide it till it pops off. And then take note, this side's flat, and the side that was pointed in has the raised edge. It's also good to note that the seal retainer, because this is a newer bike, it's already installed. I got the JT sprocket, so I'll pull the chain back through. Sorry, my hands are a bit in the way here. Slide it on. Alright, I used a robust pair of scissors. Just trim it all the way around. There's the edge of this here leaves a line, so you just snip to the line with your scissors. And that fits nicely. So we just pop the O-ring in place. Press this on. And then turn the metal once you get it lined up nice. There we go. I'm going to throw a little blue Loctite on here. There's some old stuff on there. I'm going to throw some new blue Loctite on there and put the 10 mils back in. Alright, now I got a little blue Loctite in there. Got a first few threads in. I just got to tighten them up. There's no way to cross pattern 3 bolts. No matter what you do, you're going in a circle. So, and you got to put your little cover on. It's a bit of a tangle, but not too bad. And I put blue Loctite. I use the glue stick version. It's nicer, it doesn't dry out on you. Alright, I just got to zip these back on. And that is done. Now we just got to tighten up the rear. Basically where we landed was, it's a lot snappier. Not quite as much as I want though, so I think it's time to put a key on 40 in this thing. And I wasn't gonna do the exhaust, but the exhaust is quite restrictive. I did some experimenting and I know everybody knows it's restrictive and heavy, but I didn't realize just how restrictive it is, so it needs to be fixed. So smash that subscribe button, and I'm gonna get started on getting in some new parts to make it a little bit faster off the line. Because I don't care about highway speed, as long as it'll cruise at 110, I'm happy. But it needs more snap off the line. First gear, that's basically all I care about. I want a really, really snappy first gear, and then as long as it cruises at 110, I'm good. So, like I said, smash the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.